All right, so I've got the transponder hooked up. It's got a metal bracket here using Lauren's bracket for the back here, which still leaves room for the straps. It's going through here. I did decide to drill the hole. I've got to go ahead and put that in and seal it now. Put the fitting in there and seal it. But all the wires are running through here. We've got the hole back there. It's got taped up here, running up here. And then what I did for the power is I actually used a different connector. I have one that I can plug into my battery tender connector, so it's really easy and I don't have to keep putting lugs on the battery lugs. So it's not stressing that out, and it's a pain in the butt to get to that battery down there and get all that stuff off. And then we got the power, and the transducer runs up to the front underneath here. You got it coiled up there. And then as we come around the front here, you can see you don't have to take this off if you're going to do everything on the right side. So what I did is I took off the trim pieces over here, and then you can see the wires are coming up through the bottom of the cup. And if you look down in here, I took this off so you can access that easier. And basically you just pull them up right through that boot right there, right up into the cup. Here we are, all done. We got the sealant on. Everything's on there good, nice and tight. And then as we go this way, we've got the chart plotter mounted to the mount here. As you can see, it looks really good. It's nice and tight in there, doesn't move hardly at all, and everything's blue Loctited in, so hopefully it won't come apart as we're driving. So there we go.